how to change Realme device keyboard to normal. So let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your mobile device and tap on apps. From here, tap on see all apps, and at the top right corner you will find a search icon. Tap on it, and in the search bar simply search for Gboard. Then tap on it. That's gonna take you to the app info page of your keyboard in your Realme device. From here, tap on storage and cache. Now, under this storage, first of all tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage and then tap on OK. Once you're done with that, now go back to your home page. Now you have to open up keyboard. And in this way, you can change your Realme device keyboard back to normal or restore the keyboard as it was before. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.